Welcome again in our channel. Imagine a world where system crashes and security vulnerabilities are a thing of the past. A world where high performance and memory safety coexist. Is it a dream? No, it's the reality that the Rust programming language offers. Rust, a language designed with safety, speed, and concurrency in mind, is proving to be a game changer in the business world. It's not just another fad, but a powerful tool that's reshaping how businesses approach system development. Take, for example, Dropbox. In 2016, Dropbox began its journey with Rust, using it to rewrite the performance-critical components of its core file storage system. The result was astounding. Rust's guarantee of memory safety without a garbage collector, and its concurrency primitives allowed Dropbox to achieve the high performance they desired without sacrificing safety. Figma, a design platform, is another testament to Rust's prowess. They adopted Rust to handle their most performance-sensitive tasks. With Rust, they were able to build a system that was not only faster, but also safer and more maintainable. Then there's Yelp. They turned to Rust to build their high-performance, real-time, streaming data processing system. Rust's zero-cost abstractions and efficient C bindings allowed Yelp to build a system that was both fast and reliable, a critical requirement for their business. Now consider the case of Cloudflare. They chose Rust for their serverless platform, Workers. Rust's memory safety guarantees and its ability to create very small binary outputs made it the perfect choice for their use case, where security and resource usage were critical. These are not isolated successes. They're a testament to the power and potential of Rust, and they're just the tip of the iceberg. Many more businesses are discovering the benefits of Rust and are turning to it to solve their most challenging problems. So, what have we learned today? First, Rust offers an unparalleled combination of speed, safety, and concurrency, making it a powerful tool for businesses. Second, real-world use cases like Dropbox, Figma, Yelp, and Cloudflare demonstrate that Rust can be used to build high-performance, reliable systems that meet the demanding needs of businesses. And finally, the adoption of Rust is not a passing trend, but a strategic move that's helping businesses to build faster, safer, and more reliable systems. In a world where system performance and safety are paramount, Rust is not just a viable option, it's a game changer. So the next time you're considering a language for your next big project, remember the power of Rust. It could be the secret weapon your business needs to stay ahead in this fast-paced, ever-evolving world of technology. If you like our channel, please share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel.